talking about safety amidst COVID-19. But what about this? Garbage is scattered along the beach, in the streets, and in the rivers. Millions of deaths recorded as the global health crisis continues to struck countries, infecting citizens regardless of age. Meanwhile, as people gradually embrace new normal, the unsolved environmental issue continuously increase each year along with the pandemic as people tend to forget the proper waste disposal. With this lifestyle and practices behind our thick masks and body shields, the question is, are we really safe? As we focused more on securing ourselves from the pandemic, but we didn't realize what's even worse than the COVID-19. Here's the thing, proper disposal of garbage wouldn't waste hours of your life. We can never disregard this issue. We can do both. And that's the real definition of safety. As you can see, it is not just about protecting your body, but protecting your home, the earth. Users, keepers, we all have the responsibility to keep it safe. A clean earth doesn't need Mars. I encourage you all to join me for this advocacy. Let's make it count for the future of humanity.